More people are choosing vegetarian or vegan diets. Can we live without meat and still get enough protein? In this video, we explore the role of plant-based proteins and if they can replace meat. 1. What are plant-based proteins? Plant-based proteins are found in legumes, grains, seeds, and nuts. While they may be incomplete, combining them can provide all essential amino acids. 2. Is it possible to skip meat? Yes, with a varied and balanced diet, combining the right plant protein sources, like legumes and grains, can meet protein needs. 3. Benefits of plant proteins: improved digestion, rich in fiber. Reduced cardiovascular risks. Lower environmental impact. 4. Watch for deficiencies. It's important to monitor vitamin B12, iron, and zinc levels, which are often lower in plant-based foods. Conclusion: plant-based proteins can effectively replace meat if the diet is well balanced.